So in this video, I basically show one push and pull, and I started off making the one in which the local repository is one step ahead of the remote repository, and then I push the changed code into the remote repository to make them in sync. So first, I'll make a directory, and then go to that. And then I'll find it on the desktop. It's this one. And I just dragging a file. Okay, and then I init git status, one untracked file, git add, git commit, adding a file. Okay, and then I'll create a remote repository on GitHub. It will have the same name, so RP repository. Create repository, and then I'll basically connect it by saying git remote add name it origin, and then copy down the HTTPS. Git remote origin git remote b gives me the links for fetch and push. And then I'll first push this original file into remote repository. So git push origin master. This might take a little bit of time. Okay. And then now when I refresh this page, I should see this file here. Yeah. Okay. And then I'll make a change on my local repository. So I'll change this file directly. Say change first line. I save it. And then now when I open it again, it says change first line. Then git status, it says it's changed. So I add in the change and I make the commit change first line. Okay. So now when I refresh the page and when I reopen it, I can see that there's a difference here, the first line, and the local repository is one step ahead, so I have to push this change into the remote repository. So git push origin master. Okay, so now when I refresh this page again, I can see that, yeah, now they're in sync. It says change first line as well. And then now I'll do the opposite, which is my remote repository is one step ahead of my local repository, and then I'll pull in the code to make them in sync. So I'll just choose a repository from the past. So let's do Markdown. Okay, so I'll clone this down first. I'll go back to the desktop. So git clone. Okay, and then now I should have it on my desktop. It's called Markdown, yeah. And this is the Markdown file. And then in order to make like my remote repository one step ahead, I'll make the commit on my remote repository. So Markdown here, and I'll like directly edit this file. So let's say I delete this link because I no longer want it here, and then I'll like commit changes. So it's commit directly to the master branch on my remote repository, and then now it's no longer here. But then now like when I open again this file, like it's not changed, it still has the link. So I'll have to I'll go to this directory, Markdown. Wait, is it capitalized? Yeah. And then I'll check, so I should have an origin here, and git pull origin master. Oh wait, I shouldn't do this. Okay, yeah, now it's working. And now like if I like open this again, here, Markdown. Okay, so now they're in sync. This markdown.md no longer has the link as well. So that's basically it.